Welcome to my channel Decode. I'm saying to architecture students all the time that you should have a craft in freehand design if you want to progress in this field. You need to experience to presentation with the different tools and front of the customer and stakeholder, every people, because it's your define yourself, your personality. You should be and create a new habit of your business because it's major impact of your brand. For this matter, you should be learn with a freehand design and software. These are a tool for every architect for have a great product and design and sketch and everything, because every sketch, because every idea and concept need to and tools for product. For this matter, in this part can show you that every architect need to and upward and increase freehand design, because you have to in the beginning project know it. For this matter, move forward to and come with me for show you. I want to drawing a plan so quickly. It's very important that you should have an idea and quickly and promote it. So like this, for example, the first work you should be draw a guideline for yourself. Okay, this is for your guideline and drawing a plan. So for example, and this is an entry this plan. You need to add the space for promote. Okay, so entry, after that door, this is a living room and a communication to outside. Outside is has a tree, you know, so it's a window for communication. Okay, and the first step in the house, you can go upstairs and the second floor. It's a minimal like a Miss Van Rohe plan, like a right plan. These are a famous prominent architecture. As I said, every architect should be attention to this matter that freehand design one of the important craft in this field. You shouldn't forget it, because I'm sure that a software can't replace to this matter, replace to this freehand design, because these are has a specific place in this field. This is a space for the parking. Okay, move it and move it. Just one. This is a fence. For this part of house. Tip. You should have a lot of idea in your mind when you want to drawing or sketching Okay, this is a relate to presentation. Presentation is important for every customer. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I want to show you another sketching with another presentation. See you later.